Hello and welcome to the International School of Traders. My name is Nubego Mtiane, and today I'm going to go through the Tuesday Market Watch with you guys. Hope you guys are going to find this very quickly on your side. Let's see how things are going and how things are working. I hope this microphone is working perfectly and fine. So let's get started. Okay, cool stuff. If it's your first time here, go to schooloftraders.com and select trade. That is where you're going to find our recommended broker at this time, right? Cool. Let's go over the news today, what's going on and what is expected today in terms of the news items. Okay, cool. This guy is not too slow. Okay, cool. So today we've seen a couple of news, from the US a little bit, from Japan and also Britain, right? As scheduled per the economic calendar, right? Cool stuff. Now, in the next couple of minutes and hours, we are going to be we are going to be receiving some news on I don't know, this thing is very slow on my side. I don't know why, but we are going to be seeing a couple of news from we are going to be receiving a couple of news from the US, from the US, from Germany. This is going to be a speech from Germany, and then there's also going to be other news. But all in all, there's nothing much that we are to expect. It is the NFP week. Let us expect some crazy things happening in the market, especially tomorrow, right? Cool stuff. Now let us clear everything and share our screen. Cool stuff. Let's go into the market. Let us look at the market together. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna start off with gold. We've been looking at gold for a number of days and weeks now. On a daily time frame, I explained that we are in a bearish market, but market is now ranging at that point. Now, if you go to a 1 hour time frame, some crazy and strange things happened over the last couple of hours. I had somebody on TikTok who came and they were buying gold at this point. It was very, very tricky. They bought here. I think they blew their account if they didn't close. Very strange. Cool. So, but what are we looking at now? I'm still looking, to wait. I'm still waiting for markets to reach these levels, and we start selling gold. Gold is strongly bearish than bullish. So buyers are in a big problem here, and they are failing to push the market further higher and higher. Now, looking at CAT CHF, guys, we've been missing quite a lot now. It's enough. It's enough. It's enough. It's enough. I don't want to take this trade rushing, but I want to look at it from all perspectives. We should have taken this trade here earlier today, but I was not in front of my PC. It's all good. Eurocat, is there anything going on there? Yes, there is. So Eurocat has made some bold moves, right? I remember yesterday we should have taken a trade right here, but we didn't, right? But there's some things going on here which I really like. If you look at what's going on here on a 15-minute time frame, right? This on a 15-minute time frame is a bullish market, right? Giving us higher highs and higher lows. And market has come down to this low. I really believe that from here, we might take off towards the top side on Eurocat, right? So I'm gonna mark off this level right here, or insect shape, and use these as levels to cover and take, you know, cool stuff. Let's see how things go. I believe anytime here we should be buying on Eurocat. I'll advise you guys. Let me set some trading alerts. So trading alerts really helps you when you when you want your computer to alert you whenever markets get to that zone, right? So in this particular case, I'm setting some trading alerts on these zones or these zones right here, so that I don't miss out on these zones. So I want to buy when markets come down to this zone and then buy all the way up. Okay, cool stuff. Let us look at AUDJPY. Those of you who were here and also on the group, we gave out a sell signal and it's running in profit. Our target one has been reached. You can move your stop loss into take profit or in beyond your entry, below your entry, so that you can secure some profit right there. Still believe that this is still gonna go down. There is no way you're gonna enter this now. It's very late if you didn't take this one. GBP USD is coming down to my point of interest here. This is my point of interest on GBP USD for me to take a buy, right? It's very critical, yes, but I am going to be looking to buy here. There's many things going on here. I'm looking to buy here. If this does not turn into a head and shoulders, right? But I don't like that. I want to trade this one all the way up. Cool stuff. Now, AUDJPY, we've covered USDJPY, nothing much. Um, Nothing much on USDJPY. AUDUSD, I'm not comfortable as yet. I'm looking at some things. I'm still waiting for markets to reach those levels. Not gonna lie. Cool stuff, guys. My voice is very low. My energy levels are very low. I'm trying by all means to cover all the work that I have, everything that I have in one day, so that tomorrow I do not have a lot of work, because tomorrow has got its own work. And the DSD, we have been able to take our profit here. Now, here's why we took our profit. We know that NZDSD on a 4-hour time frame has been in a bullish market for the longest of time, right? This is how we covered it. We covered this level right here. I think it was this level. And then we also highlighted this one on the other PC, right? The PC that I was using to record on this. Don't remember this day, but Colin would remember. He was here on Friday. But we took our profit. We are looking to, we're just letting this run now until it forms structures. But we took our profit here. That is powerful. And then XAUSD, no, Euro USD ZAR is one of the trades that we should have taken a buy earlier this morning. But there's a lot of things happening here in South Africa. Simply because of the fundamentals, we should have taken a buy here. But I didn't advise it since it's very volatile, guys. GBP we took our profit here. I'm holding my other trade here, which I'm gonna move my stop loss now into profit and wait for market to do what, to go all the way down, right? At some point this market was stuck in a triangle here. You would say this is a triangle. This market was stuck in a triangle last night. Actually, before last night, this was stuck in a triangle, and then market decided its direction when it broke out. When it broke out and retested this level, now it's going down. So it's a beautiful one. Just sent a voice note that this is going to be one of the trades we're looking at, AUD simply because let's look at this beautiful support zone on a daily time frame. This has been a beautiful support zone. If markets do protrude towards the downside, we see these two candlesticks, bringing the markets towards the top side. Even here, bring the market towards the top side. So I believe that it's time that we consider a buy. Let's look into the 4-hour time frame. Actually, 4-hour time frame is getting to the point of our interest. Let's go to a 1-hour time frame. We move. So this is where I would really love to buy AUD CAD. This is my buy limit. I'm gonna share it with you now. Let's get down to business. Okay, my stop loss is going to be this one. My take profit is going to be um, cool. So I'm gonna share my stop loss and take profit shortly. I just wanna update them quickly. Okay, perfect stop loss, perfect take profit. Let's see. Okay, my buy limit order. So if you set up a buy limit order, is at 0.92. I'm going to send this into the group. 0.92925, 0.92925, and my stop loss is at 0.29600. My take profit is at 0.94323, right? That is it right there, and I hope this is going to turn out the way we want it. I have a meeting in the next minute, so let me just quickly wrap up. GBP JPY is in profit. ADCAD we're looking to buy. GBP CHF, I don't see it as yet on this device, but we are looking to buy anytime soon. Anything on GBP NZD has been a killer, guys. And let us look at Nasdaq. What's going on Nasdaq? Nasdaq is not coming down anytime soon to my point of interest. So there's a high possibility of a sell in the next hour, but I'm not going to be entertained. I'm not going to entertain this guy. Not going to entertain this guy. Okay, awesome stuff. Thank you so much for joining me. Please use every necessary link that you will find on the description, and see you on the other side of the withdrawals. It's one and only Shalom.